Bawat isa sa atin ay nasa isang journey ng buhay. Yung iba ay masaya, yung iba hindi. Yung iba ay mabilis, yung iba naman ay mabagal. Yung iba ay punong-puno ng pag-asa, yung iba naman ay tila sumusuko na. We are all struggling and thriving to reach where we want to be. And if you want to survive and make the most out of this what we call life, this journey has to be meaningful and purposeful. But what makes a journey worth traveling? Focus on your good vision. What do you envision to be? What are your personal goals and aspirations? Kung ano man yon that ignites your spirit to get started, never lose sight of it. This journey is not always in a fair weather season. There could be strong winds and storms. The road isn't always easy as there are twists and turns, humps and bumps. Along the way, madami kang makikitang distractions that may catch your attention, causing more delays and even short stops. Kaya always keep your vision in mind, no matter what. It keeps you on the right track. It's your driving force that keeps you moving until the end. Free yourself from unnecessary load. Ang laking hassle kung madami kang bitbit sa biyahe. In this journey, iwan mo na ang mga emotional baggages na lalong nagpapahirap sa'yo. Sa totoo lang, di mo na ito kailangan as you move forward. Forgive those who have wronged you, even if forgiveness is undeserved. Let go of every bitterness, pain, regret, and disappointment, and allow yourself to experience inner peace. Fill your heart and mind with something that is positive, uplifting, and empowering. That way, mas magkakaroon ka ng serenity and clarity. Forget not your Creator. Nilikha tayo ng Panginoon, taglay ang intellect and will. Binigyan niya tayo ng kakayahan at kalayaan to make our own choices and decisions. Subalit, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi na natin siya kailangan. In this journey, we need His divine guidance and enlightenment. He is our light, our guide, and compass. If we will only listen to His voice and follow His leading, hindi tayo maliligaw o magkamali ng tahakin. Walk closely with God who perfectly knows the way. Kapag focus ka sa good vision mo, free ka from emotional baggages, and you never forget to follow your guide, si Lord, you'll have the best journey of your life.